Well-maintained 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath tri-level home. Open floor plan. Living room opens to dining room. Dining area opens to 18 feet x 12 feet concrete patio. Refrigerator, range, dishwasher, microwave and washer-dryer stay. Kitchen offers ample storage with 42 inches cabinets. Master bedroom has 2 large closets. Finished basement has a large family room, large closet, half bath, utility laundry room, and a bonus room that could be used as a large walk-in closet or an L small bedroom. With carport 25x12. Great landscaping. Shed mini barn and backyard is 12 feet x 8 feet, has electricity, built-in workbenches and motion sensor lighting. Newer furnace, AC, water heater and roof.